Dang.
Mommy, get off.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well wherever you are. So it is 4th of July weekend and you are looking at our future campsite. So we started this tradition last year where we camp out in our backyard for 4th of July weekend. This year we have family join us, so we're very excited about that. So we're going to be getting our backyard transformed into a campsite, and before we do that, we're also going to head over to the nature preserve and we're going to walk around some trails, and we're probably going to go paddle boarding. So I've never been paddle boarding, so I'm very excited about that. They have their paddle boards with them and they say it's so much fun that it's addictive. So I'm very curious to see how it goes. You guys are going to be a part of it. You're coming with. So right now we're about to head out, just get out in nature for a little while, and then we're going to come back and set up our campsite. Happy 4th of July to everyone out there. So without further ado, let's just jump into this video. Arrived, and now we're just getting the paddle boats filled up with air. Takes a couple of minutes, they said, and then we're going to get down, walk down to the water and launch. Whoop, whoop.
Whoa. It just popped out of nowhere. It just popped out of nowhere. Whoa. Nature's so cool. Mom, can I let my feet touch the water?
Sure.
What? It's not big. And Mommy, I feel like I can affect my feet.
Oh man, we can't, you know.
Y'all got water shoes.
I know, that's why.
It still feels great. I just got back in for taking the paddle boat out for a little spin, and it is really fun, but it is a real workout. My arms are super sore. I had to keep taking breaks out there just to rest, but I came back for a water break and I'm gonna go back out in just a minute. I want to try my hand at trying to stand up. So I know it looks easier than it is, but I'm gonna try my hand at it and I'm gonna see how it goes. So we're gonna spend a little bit more time out here, and then we're gonna wrap it up, and we might go for a hike, and then we're gonna head home and cook out, set up our campground. So I'm excited for that. But I just wanted to check in with you guys, let you know the paddle boating has been very fun, very exciting. Now I want to get my own. We had a really good time at the lake. We are back now. I'm getting ready to finish setting up out here. I'm gonna open up shop. Ooh. This is what the campsite is looking like so far. So that is my cousin's family tent. Then we got our little campfire here. And then we have our tent here. It is super duper hot out here, so I'm about to blow up these bunch of balloons. While we still have on our bathing suits, I thought it would be cool to try to have a quick little water balloon fight. So I'm gonna blow up these bunchos. They are red, white, and blue. Perfect for 4th of July. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these blown up.
There's no bugs in there, just these little.
So I just got out of the shower. I'm all freshened up. I'm out in the tent now. We got rained out for a while, so we did decide to take shelter underneath our backyard patio because it started picking up lots of thunder and lightning, and it started to rain while we were cooking, so we had to think fast and move things to the patio. But nonetheless, it has stopped, and we are still very excited about camping. We're not gonna let that rain ruin the show, so we're trying to dry things off and get our fire lit. We're still gonna try to light a fire and get things rolling. We're not gonna let that weather stop us. I think it has passed now. The tent is all wet, but we're gonna go ahead and start us a fire, watch some fireworks, make some s'mores. Ava has on her cute 4th of July PJs. Let me see your PJs. Ooh, ice cream. You still wanna do a fire?
Yes.
Of course, we gotta do a fire.
It's hot.
No, it's not started yet. We gotta get it dried out.
Where am I going to go?
So I got my bug mosquito repellent candles with a floating candle. I put some lemon, some lime, some rosemary, and some essential oils. And then I put a little floating candle. We're getting all snuggled up in our tent, you guys. It is almost midnight. We've been sitting around our campfire, but we are actually gonna go ahead and call it quits for the night. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, you guys. It is a beautiful morning. Just finished cooking breakfast and having breakfast. Actually getting ready to enjoy me some tea now. So I just made me a cup of elderberry tea. Camping was fun. It was another successful 4th of July weekend. I slept really good. I slept better than I did last year, but I actually got a little bit cold this time. Last year was hot, this year was cold. So we had fans going and the tent was like very well insulated. So I'm sitting under our tent right now, about to enjoy my tea. Thanks for camping with us, guys. We really enjoyed it. I had another successful camping year with our family and we really enjoyed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, you guys. Thanks for camping with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, or hopefully you got some ideas so you can camp out with your family. So this was really like our trial run. So the next step for us is to really be camping out at campsite. That is coming up next. Stay tuned for campsite, but don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, you guys. Meet me down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.